How to add a new email account on Apple Mac. This guide will show you how to set up a new or additional email account on your Apple Mac. Let's get started. Open the Mail application on your Mac. If this is your first email account, Mail will automatically open the Add Account window. Scroll to the end of the account list and choose Add Other Mail Accounts. Click Continue to proceed with adding your email. Enter your full name, email address, and password. Your full name will appear as the sender. Click Sign In. A message may appear saying unable to verify account name or password. Next, choose your port based on IMAP or POP settings. Enter the incoming and outgoing mail server details. mail.yourdomain.co.za. Next, click Sign In. Select the apps you want to use with this account and click Done. In the Mail menu, go to Settings, then select Accounts. In the Server Settings tab, uncheck Automatically Manage Connection Settings under the incoming and outgoing mail server sections. Next, under Advanced IMAP Settings, check the Allow Insecure Authentication checkbox and click OK. Set the outgoing mail server port to 587 or 465 if using SSL and choose Password for authentication. Click Save. You've successfully set up a new email account on your Mac. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.